Hello. Airplane cool.
Yeah.
Bate میشه؟ بچه میشه؟
Sticky.
Sticky. You gonna show me airplane?
Yeah.
Show me.
In the mouth.
In my mouth. Airplane in my mouth. Today is February 5th, 2016. Soraya is 2.5 years oldish, and she's starting to use phrases like, if you listen, I'll take it away, and phrases like, I promise. Promise?
Yeah.
And she's talking all about school, and she sings the welcome to school song and happy birthday. And yesterday we went to Cameron's birthday, Cameron's sweet 16 at Otto Nuevo, I don't know what, on 21st Street. Heidi was there. کی دیگه اونجا بود سعیا؟ کی دیگه دیشب دیدی؟ کی دیگه دیشب اونجا بود؟ Oh, peanut butter. Saya's having her morning snack. And we're letting her eat peanut butter since she doesn't have an allergy after all.